This process is obviously a great saver.
Yes.
And as I say in my presentation, um, do we wish to leave a legacy of waste for our grandchildren to look after when we can actually now have the possibility of eliminating the waste in our industry?
Yes. Because it's a really can you don't recycle fiber or either resin, so the most you can cut off the waste, the better it is.
Yeah, cut off the waste at the beginning of life of the
Yes.
composite. And obviously, if you make, as you're finding with your clients, and we find, is that we can reduce their resin uptake by at least 20-25%. That means the product goes out 20-25% less resin to waste in the end of life. So it's not just the saving at the beginning of life, it's also at the end of life for that product. There's going to be 20% less resin content to get rid of.
Yes. Yes.
So it's a win-win.
Yeah. Exactly.